Hi design darlings, I'm Tanisha Denise and I'm here to bring you a quick video. Hopefully it's quicker than my other videos. This is one of the 12 days of Christmas friendly junk journal, junk journal ideas for Christmas gifts. We are on day 4 and today we're going to do page tabs. So I have a really neat idea on how you can do page tabs and gift them to your junk journal friends. So these are ideas for you to gift to people who also enjoy journaling like you do. So I saw a video from Amity Bloom, and I just love her work. She did her collaged page edges, and the way that she did it was she put the collaging on like a piece of cardboard, right? And so she glued things to the piece of cardboard and then glued the piece of cardboard to her page edge. You see where I'm going? We're going to do this a similar thing, glue, make a page edge on a piece of cardboard. Then the piece of cardboard itself is movable, and that's what you can give to your friends, and then they can just automatically glue that down to their page edge and they have an automatic tab. So let's kind of walk through what I would do to do that. So I'm going to use my personal journal to put a page edge in. I'm going to put a tab, sorry, here. And so I'm going to do it on that page. So I have it flipped open. And I see that this is a sticker book, but it has just some kind of flimsy cardboard, which I think is the best instead of very stiff cardboard, because it may get too thick. So this is the perfect size, and there's already a line on it. I don't know why or what the line is doing there, but I'll take it. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Then I want to use this scrap piece of paper that I used in my loaded envelope video. You'll see some of this paper being used. And yeah, just like I thought, it's a little bit too thin. So what I have over here is just some pattern paper that I'm going to add to it. And so if they're gluing the back, I don't feel like the back needs to be covered, but if you're gifting it and they see it, you may want to cover the back. I'm not going to worry too much about covering the back. I'm just going to kind of wrap it around. So just cutting out a little bit of pattern paper, and I don't have extra Mod Podge to use at this point, but if you Mod Podge it down, I think it gives it a nicer look. But I'm just going to use a glue stick. Once I finally get to a place where I have, like, when I'm kind of bringing in a little bit of money for my crafts and I can buy some of these tools and show you guys my like proper ideas on how things will go, I'll be so excited. But right now, we're gonna have to use what we have. All right. So yeah, I'm just gluing it down. I feel like sometimes when you do junk journals, it's fun to have scragglies. So I'm gonna try to see if the top can sort of be a little bit scraggly. Just a little bit. Maybe I'll just tear it, and that'll give it a little bit of a scraggly look. Yeah. Okay. So now it's pretty much covered. Again, this is going to be glued down, so I just don't feel like it needs to be that, you know, beautiful, but that's really up to you guys. So now I'm going to take this, because I want to add this to the page tab thingy. I don't even know what to call it. So I love that straight line, but I love to have like a raggedy line. So I'm just going to tear it. Okay, loving that. So that's looking pretty good. So now I'm just gonna use glue stick. I really should be cleaning up because I've made a mess today, but I gotta get this. I thought I would be able to make a couple more videos for you guys already, but I'm gonna have to bide my time. Okay, so that's glued down pretty good. Up here it's hanging off, so I'm just gonna rip it. Oh, that looks pretty. Now I'm gonna adhere a tab to it, and I'm gonna use a square of this and a square of this. I'm gonna layer them and then wrap them around. So let's see. I think, which one do I want on the top? Oh, yeah, I want the green one on top, yeah. So let's make the white one a little bit bigger than the green. Not much of a measurer. I just measure things based off of other things, which sometimes messes me up, but then again, that's kind of the fun in junk journaling. That's why I was drawn to it, because I'm not much of a measurer. So please don't be too disappointed about that. Okay, I'm going to leave that little strip of fabric on because I'm just going to use hot glue. So you could sew this if you have a sewing machine, or, you know, there's lots of options there. So I'm just going to leave that on and then hot glue that. And then it'll be like that. And then it'll be a tab, a fabric tag. So let's go ahead and place our hot glue. Now, here, I have a cute little ready-made tab that you can just, you know, you can make a bunch of these, put them aside, put them in your journal as need be. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in my journal. Just put it here. Doesn't really match the page, but I think it'll look cute. Yeah, it's going to look cute layered. And you know what would be fun is if you add a embellishment here. Ew, I just have stuff just hanging. My goodness. Let's see if I have any embellishments in this random box over here. I knew I had another nameplate somewhere. I was looking for that. I forget what these kind of clips are called, the ones with the back on it like that. So I'm just putting it through the first layer. So hopefully it won't bother anything. Okay, so look at how cute that is though. If this was, I don't think this page is the right page for this. I almost want to put it on like something more pink. This already has a tab right next to it. But still, like that would be better on that page. Let me find another page. I'm going all the way towards the front. Oh, no, I have something there. It really might be the best page for it. Oh, this would be pretty cool. Oh, I think I can put it on this page and it'll be good. So then when you're adhering it, I would probably let part of it, I mean, you can put glue on all of it, and just let the tab stick out, or you can like let part of this stick out. It's really your preference. I think I'm gonna put glue on all of it and let just the tab stick out, although that's covering up my little leaf there. It should be okay. Just go crazy with your hot glue. Go crazy with it. And then stick it to the edge. And then you have an automatic tab. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. I love it. And then look at how it sticks out of the side. Cute. Okay, so I'm happy that that was a quicker one than my other ones have been like so long and drawn out, and I'm just like chatty, chatty, chatty. But yeah, so I hope you join me back for the rest of the 12 days of Christmas junk journal, Christmas junk ideas, shares. I don't even know what to call it. I am so sorry, Linda, if I sound crazy trying to make up a name for this. I know that there's a name for it, and I'm sorry I keep calling it random stuff. But yeah, so hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.